Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own facial serum for oily and acne prone skin. So if you're looking for an inexpensive yet effective facial serum, stay tuned. So first off, we have sweet almond oil. What I love about sweet almond oil is that it is perfect for moisturizing and hydrating your skin in a way that is not so greasy. Besides that, it is perfect for improving your complexion and all-round skin tone. It helps with acne and acne scarring, and there are a lot of benefits as well. So I got this brand of sweet almond oil from my local beauty supply store. You can also get it from a pharmacy as well. Up next, we have tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is amazing. It is perfect for fighting against acne. It has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. It is very potent, so a little goes a long way. I also got this from my local beauty supply store. Again, you can buy this anywhere from your local pharmacy or beauty supply store. Next, we have aloe vera gel. You can get the natural one and make it yourself, or you can just get the already made aloe vera gel, which is what I got. Aloe vera is very calming. It has soothing and healing properties for the face. So for the final ingredient, we have glycerin and rose water. The combination of both properties are very safe for your skin. Glycerin serves as a great hydrant. It helps to retain moisture in the skin, while rose water has anti-aging benefits. And oh, don't forget your storage container. I'm using a drop bottle which I got from gg.ng, an online store, so you can get it from there as well. And I'm going to use a mixing bowl and spoon for the process. So I'm going to start off with my aloe vera gel. At first I'm going to add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel, and then I'm going to add another 2 spoons of my glycerin and rose water toner. So what I did was to mix in bits, so you see that intermittently I was adding different measures of aloe vera gel and glycerin. So depending on your need, you might add one more than the other, but in total I added 4 spoons of aloe vera gel and about 3 spoons of glycerin and rose water toner. So you want to mix that properly till you achieve a desired consistency. Now I'm going to add about 2 spoons of sweet almond oil. So if you're in Lagos, Nigeria, I got my sweet almond oil from a beauty supply store in the Adeniran shopping mall, AOS mall. So if I remember the name of this store, the beauty supply store, I'll probably put it in my description box below. So yeah, I'm going to mix it up, and you have to mix it very well till it becomes cloudy. So I'm just going to drop this now. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you want me to do more of this type of videos, skincare videos that is, let me know in the comment section below. So for our final addition, I'm going to add tea tree oil. Depending on what your skin needs, you might need to add about 4 to 8 drops of tea tree oil. For mine, I added about 4 drops, but like I said, it's very potent and it depends on what your skin needs. And after that, you want to make sure you mix thoroughly like I'm doing. So this is the final product. This is what it is looking like. As you can see, the consistency is quite thick, and this is what you want to achieve. So this is how you make your own facial serum for oily and acne prone skin. And I kid you not, this is very effective. So I'm going to transfer the product to my drop bottle. I'd love to know if any one of you would be trying this at home. If so, please let me know. This should last you for like 2 weeks if you apply morning and night. So we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and follow us on Instagram at Allure by Heebah. Bye. No. She telling me go, rap, vote no. I fell for it like all the time. I'm feeling the way I